welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to make DIY wall hanging with newspaper. So let's get started. Like this video. If you like, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.